Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP19 Access App Cap Assessment Student Loans. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So project description is the Cool Financial Services has recently started working with the student loans and you will build the company database the initially and finance is the students or store the Excel spreadsheets and you already compare the university into the access tables. So create the relationships, create a query, create a form and create a reports. We move to the project step. So step number one is the to start the you have been provided with the database the information technology department created it. The database has one table you will importing the Excel spreadsheet into the table creating primary key and start the access open the download access file name exp19 access chapter 3 cap assessment student note go to the access file. I have already downloaded the access file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is importing the exploring access grader A1 is client access Excel workbook into the table name is client. While the importing data, make sure to select the option first row contain column heading and select the client ID is the primary key. So import the Excel file and Excel workbook table name is the client. Go to the access file, go to the external data, go to the external data tab, go to the import trending groups, click the new data source from file and click the Excel file. So Excel file is the import the file is creator 1a sorry A1 is client Excel workbook table name is the clients. So click the browse and go to the access is the exploring apps grader A1 is clients. Open the files, click OK and check the first row contain column headings. Checkbox is the first row contain column headings and click the next and again next and select the choose the client ID is the primary key. Choose my own the primary key, click on next and table name is the clients. Copy the table name and paste the table name is client. So click finish and click close. So question number 2 is the complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is now that you have to import the data from the spreadsheet, you will modify the field property in the client table and the demonstrates sortings and open the client table is the design view. Change the client ID field size is 6 and remove the symbols and client the ID is format the property change the zip field is size is to 5. Open the client table design view, go to the access file and click the client tables. So select the client table is the design view and change the client ID field sizes to 6. Right clicks and click the design view. Client design view and field size is 6. So the client id, change the client id, select the client id, and client id field size is 6. Type the 6 and remove the at the rate of samples. Move the at the rate of sample and client id property. Format the client id is property and change the zip field size is 5. Select the zip field and field size is the 5. Type the 5 and change the expected graduation field is to 0 decimal places. Change the expected its graduation field is to have two 0 decimal places. So select the change the expected it graduation expected its graduation is the field size is 0 decimal places. The field size is the and change the field size is 5 and change the expected graduation is the 0 decimal places. Caption and below the 0 change the expected graduation is 0 decimal places. So scroll down and display the expected graduations is the change the field is 0 decimal places. So the decimal places is the 0 decimal places and delete the comment fields. So scroll down and display the comment field and delete the comment field is the right clicks and click the delete row. The permitted delete the fields, click yes, click OK. So delete the comment field, add the new field name is the last contact. Copy the add a new fields, select the box and add the new fields. Add the new field is the last contact in the last field in the table and change the data type is to change the change the data type to the date and time and change the format is to short dates. So change the data type is the date and time, date and time. Change the data type is the date and time and change the format is to short dates. Format is to the short date and switch the datasheet view. Apply the best fit to all and sort the table loan amounts is the descending order. Then save and close the table. So switch the datasheet view. The right click, click the save and is the datasheet view. Switch the datasheet view and apply the best fit all column. So select the all column is the best to fit is double click is the auto fit column. So apply the best fit all column and sort the table loan amounts in descending order. Select the amount tables. Select the loan amount tables loan amounts field is the descending order. So go to the sort and filter group, click the descending order, and then save and close the table. So right click, click the save, and click close the table. So question number 3 is the complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is know that the table is imported and modified. You will create the relationship between the college and clients table. Open the relationship window. Add the clients and college tables to the window and create the one-to-many relationship between the college ID fields in the clients is the college table. Open the relationship window, add the client and college tables. Go to the access files and go to the database tools. Go to the relation group, click the relationships. So add the clients and college table. Add the table is move and drag the table is client table and college table. Move the client and college tables and create a one-to-many relationship between the college ID in the clients and college name. Create the one-to-many relationship between the college ID in the college table. Create the relationships. So resize the table. Display the all fields and relationship between the college ID in the clients and college table. So relationship between the college ID field to the clients and college table. Select the college ID. Select the college ID between the college ID field in the client and college table and enforce the integrity between the two tables. Select the update and delete option. Save the change and close the relationship window. So select the enforce refresh integrity and update and delete option. So select the update related field and say last is the delete later record is the checkbox and save the change and close the relationship window. Click the create relationships and save and close the relationships. It's the right click, click the save and close the relationships. So question number 4 is the complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is you will creates query for a horse and demonstrates how she can change information, create the new query designs from the client's table and last name, first name, emails, and expected graduation field is the orders. So create the new query designs. Go to the access files and go to the create tabs. Create the new query designs. So create the new query designs from the client tables. Move and drag the client tables. Add the last name, first name, email, phone, and expected its graduation fields. Resize the client tables. So display the all field and add the last name and first name. Click the last name, double click the last name, and double click the first name, last name, first name, and email and phones. So select the email and email, phone, and select the phone and expected its graduation. Last is the expected its graduations. Add the fields in the order from the college table and college name. Field is the college table and the college name, and sort by the last name and first name is both the ascending order. Select the last name and first name, last name and first name is the ascending order. So click the arrow and select the ascending order, last name and first name. Select the first name is the ascending order. First name is the ascending order, and set the criteria is the expected its graduation is the 2019. Run the query and save the queries 2019 graduates and close the query. So criteria is the 2019. So select the criteria is the expected its graduations and type the 2019, press enter and run the query. Save the queries 2019 graduates and close the query. So go to the query design steps and click the run the query and save the 2019 graduates. Copy the query name, right click, click the save is the 2019 graduates, click OK and close the query. So right clicks, click the close the query. So inside the new query is the 2019 graduates. So question number 5 is the complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link.